Hey guys, welcome to Wickium. Have you ever wondered if a particular instrument's initial balance held? Did it get broke up? Did it get broke down? How often? How often do gaps fill? If they do fill, by how much? Are you building a strategy? Need to know, maybe what day's better or how it may do in a particular regime. Well, we have all that data right here at Wickium. Just hit markets, market stats, and this is a paid section of Wickium, by the way. We're running a special though. It's only $9 a month. But here's your market stats. You have any stock you can think of. If it's not on here in the most popular, you can actually just come up here and search it. If it's not here already, it may take a minute to load, but you can search any stock you want. ETFs, futures, got all the futures that I can think of. Indices, crypto, got a lot of crypto, forex pairs. You can pick any one of these. We're just going to pick one. Let's pick a future. Let's just look at Brent crude. All right, so when you first get to your selection, you have these headings here, and you can go through these. There's a lot of information in each one of these. When you click on, you're going to see a lot more. So today's Thursday, most likely a neutral day. You can click on this just to give you an example, and it's going to tell you which days were normal, trending, neutral, and you can see the definitions down here of what those days are being based on. This is just one section of a lot of data on these, on all these instruments. We'll just look at another one, say ranges, what a typical day looks like. You have a session range right here, and then you have a median. This will tell you down here a typical day, median, range versus IB. There's just a lot of information. Opening range. This is the 5-minute one. Same thing, tells you a lot of stuff there. And something really cool is you got these hot buttons down here for just past year, 6 months, 3 months. You see how they change. Or session, Tokyo, London, New York. And if you want to fine tune it even more, say you have a strategy that works in a certain regime. And I'm just going to pick some dates here. Say, you've looked at it in basically February of 25 to whatever. We'll just pick something. We'll say February 25 to February of 26. It was in a certain regime that you've researched, and you just want to see what happened in that certain time frame, and that's those certain conditions. So you can customize that to whatever date you want, and then you can still filter it here, or you can do all. So from that time, February 25, February 26, here's your stats. So you can filter this pretty much any way you want. And we have the open. This is your gap fill, how often it did it. We're still on this time. If you want to reset that, you can reset that. But this is how often it gaps up, gaps down, how far, day types. This is a really valuable tool for you to build your strategies around, or just research whatever instrument you're trading. Like I said, there are pretty much everything's on here. If something's not on here for some reason, let us know. We can get it added. But yeah, that's the market stats, Wickium. And we got a lot more things to go over. We're kind of doing a video on each thing. But there's a market stats for you. And I appreciate it. And we'll see you on the inside.